Hey everyone, let me share with you a new package I received from our friends at Robotime. Robotime is well known for its wooden puzzles, including their miniature DIY houses by Rolife. We have here the newest Mystic Archive series. Oh, I love the story behind each of these dollhouse kits. The first one is Kikis' Magic Emporium. For the love of magic, potions and spell, and a powerful witch owns the shop. In the story, Kiki fulfills people's wishes using magic. It's quite interesting dollhouse kit to build. Next one here is Alice Tea Store that has a tiny doorway to another world. It must be nice to have a nice tea party to the Wonderland. And the third one, we have Moses Detective Agency. The agency was owned by a talented but cranky detective. The space is full of mystery and a lot of details. I am super excited to build and show you guys these kits. It's such a nice add to my miniature dollhouse collection. Okay, that's all for now, guys. See you next time.